Hello everybody, this is a Hubsan 501S. I like the drone. The worst part about this drone, for any of you who own a Hubsan 501S, the worst part about this drone is that there's no on-off switch. You have to have the battery, you have to have this opened up, you have to plug the battery into the power inlet, and then you have to stuff the wires back in, and then you have to close the door. And then it's just too much hassle. I mean, you can buy a lot cheaper drones that's got a little on-off switch on it. These don't have it. I saw other videos of people who had installed on-off switches, but the switches they had looked pretty big. A lot of it would intrude inside here. And there's really not much space in there. It's like I said, it's hard enough to stuff the wires in, much less have more stuff inside there. Like the major part of the switch goes inside. So I was looking around for a small switch. I went on eBay, I went to Best Buy, I went to other websites trying to find a really small switch, but I couldn't find one. And I thought, I'm just going to look around my house. And in one of my junk drawers, there was this little flashlight that I bought at the Dollar Tree store for $1. And I hadn't been using it for a couple of years because I got some better flashlights. And I opened it up, and lo and behold, I found this little electrical switch. It's smaller than anything I saw on eBay or anywhere else. And I just took this little switch out, and of course I spliced it into the power input wire, and then made the connection. And this isn't hot glued onto the outside or anything. It's just held there, the wires. It's plenty stable, not going to go anywhere. And I took a knife and I put it under a propane torch, got it red hot, and I just made a little groove here for the wires to be able to come out. And it works perfectly. A Dollar Tree switch, watch this. It makes it so much simpler. And that's it. I wanted to show you my new switch. I can't wait to use it. Today it's really windy out. I'd be out there flying it today, but it's just really windy. But anyway, there's my on-off switch. I don't have to hassle around in the field. I'm ready to go. I just take it out, boom, hit the button, and she's ready to calibrate. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.